That's all good, man. Do you think?
Because the greatest love of all. Can you do any better, Sean? Let me hear you. My side stash is mine. My side stash is not yours. No.
He's laughing.
Ruby's first day at the park. Say hello, River. No. Too much sun. It's a beautiful day. A beautiful day for a walk. Yeah, we're out and about. We're here at the park. River's never been to the park, so we're out here. The weather is nice. We're wearing sweaters and stuff because it's sweater weather. Nice little wind chill, but it's nice and bright and sunny. It is Sunday. Go all look. Oh, it's a nice little path. Look. Show ya. I didn't realize that. I thought it was all grass. Usually a park, I mean, it's just grass. So the path, we came from down there, and the path goes all the way around. It's a huge park as well. Wow.
We have a path around too.
I didn't realize.
Walk for it.
Oh. We got Daddy on duty, and ShéKayla is here in the background as usual. Y'all be asking me where Kayla is now. Say, oh, miss ShéKayla from this vlog today, but ShéKayla ain't too much into the camera. I think I tell y'all that already. And if she ain't camera ready, she always like, you vlogging today? Oh, mommy don't get me. Even like when we randomly at home, and like I'm saying, like just randomly, she in her sleeping cap, she say, oh, mommy don't post that in my cap. But nevertheless, she's here. What is this tree? What? It looks like a big nasty caterpillar. Oh, is this a pine cone tree? I've never seen a pine cone tree. Oh, it is a pine cone tree, because there are pine cones on the ground. Y'all ever see a pine cone tree? I've never. Who, me? I mean, if I never been outside, who does see pine cone trees? Normally I see when I see pine cones, it's usually a squirrel playing with a pine cone, but not necessarily from a pine cone tree, like they're in a pine cone tree. Or is it a pine cone tree that normally in and I just don't notice? No, because I see them running around on the ground with the pine cones. Anyways, yeah, so we made it around on this side. You see how nice and pretty the place we are? Look at that. Take that. Yeah, I can't even see because of the sun. Kayla, who you texting, girl? Sean, if you could tell me, hold on, if Sean could tell me what's the name of this, I would pay you, I can't go too high, 20 pounds. Can y'all see it? Let me go closer. This thing here, the children normally you climb on it, like a ropey type of thing, and you climb up. So if Sean could tell me, ShéKayla, you know what it is, right? Don't say it. So if Sean could tell me what's that called,
Constellation.
you get 20 pounds today. 20 pounds ain't much, but 20 pounds will get you at least 2 meals.
20 pounds of our money, right?
No, he always coming with that crap about our money. We still have our little money aside.
Yeah, what's yours is mine, what's mine is yours.
Not from my little side stash, babe. My side stash is mine, my side stash is not yours. No.
So,
You got that twisted. Talk truth, people.
is this some type of obstacle course?
It's not an obstacle course.
What is it then?
Huh?
What is it then?
You supposed to guess?
I give up.
Already? It's a witch's hat.
Yeah, I wouldn't have gone.
Really? It's a witch's hat. Right, Kayla? I'm right? Yeah. It's a witch's hat. I remember when Kayla tried to climb the witch's hat, she was small. I want to go down a slide with Riff though. I probably can't fit because look how that little boy. Look, I don't think I can fit on the big slide.
Go on here, is that?
Where?
Go on that. Go on that. Let's go on that.
Oh yeah, I've been on that. And one similar. The other park have one of them. Feel nice out here. You see the children, them don't, like, some of them ain't even wearing no coats. That's the thing with the children over here. Weather like this, they could stand it more than us. They don't need jackets and those things. They're good. They run around like it's summer.
Yeah, they don't know better. I'm not going on it. Unless you going on it.
Yeah, man, go put it. What chicken self, Sean? I used to go on these things with Kayla. Me and Kayla used to go on these things all the time.
Yeah, so if I drop off then
I'm gonna go.
who's gonna pull you up?
Sean, I'm not gonna fall off.
Rather fall off.
What's the matter with you? Hello, River. Mommy. This is a tree, River. River is looking. Say hi, guys. We're under a tree. The River is looking up at the tree. You want to touch it, Riv? Yeah. Oh, let's take him out. Let me take him out. Let's take him. Yeah. That's River's like, why am I stuck in here? Right? See how happy he is to come out, Sean? You laughing? Let's go. Are you happy to come out?
Can you take me?
You want to touch it? Look. Look, Riv. Touch it. Look, Sean. Do you want to touch it? Touch it. Yeah. It's like, I kind of feel kind of prickly. It was like, no. This is grass, look. Even though this grass usually does nasty, but kind of nasty.
It is usually nasty.
Looking at that. Me and Riv could go on there. Oh yeah, me and Riv could go on there. Look, Riv, this is grass. Oh wow. You see? That's grass.
Take his socks off.
Look who's standing, guys. Look. Wow. Let's take off your socks. River's never been in grass before. Wow. Someone's going in the grass. River's not afraid of grass. Oh. Kayla, take pictures of him standing. I don't think he's into it though. Yeah, I don't think he's into it. Should we try another spot? There we go. This is better. Yeah. Is that better, Rivi? Wow. You're standing in. You tell me when you're ready, I'll let him go, okay? Call him. Look, Riv. Is it yucky? Oh no, it's yucky. Okay. Oh, okay. Mama. Mommy naughty for putting you in the grass. I think he's like, oh, he didn't even care at first. What's up? You think if I attempt to put him down again, he gonna lift up his foot?
Maybe, try.
Look, it's only grass, Red, look. Oh. Really? Okay, alright. Oh. It feel that bad, Riv? Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh, mommy's sorry. I'm not gonna put you in the grass. Grass is too yucky. Yeah. 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 Let's wipe your, let's clean your hand though. You shouldn't be touching it. Who is that? You want to go up there? Yeah.
Alright. Ruth. See mommy? Mommy's gonna do something
Ding, ding, ding.
that you might find funny. Come. Don't laugh though if you fall. Okay?
Look a bit more scary.
If mommy fall, don't laugh, okay?
Why this sucker is gonna pop off with me though? Rivy! Rivy! Hold on there, hold on. Okay, ready? Rivy! 1, 2, 3. Rivy smiling. Yeah. You wanna come with mama? Fun. Come here, Riv. How do I put him in front right here?
Oh, no.
Come here.
Don't drop him.
Yeah. You might have to help me though.
Get back up. Go back up then. Go back up.
No, not up.
Where?
I want to stay down here with him. I don't want to go up this way with him.
The thing I'm gonna slide off with him.
Ready, Rivy? Can we go? I don't know if we could go from up there, should I?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on.
Don't look.
1 second, yeah? Hold on. Wait, help me.
I don't think if I should.
Hold on, no, wait.
Let me take him.
No, he need to bring out his arm and turn him around so I can lock him under. Alright. Ready?
He's laughing. He's laughing.
Oh, really? You like that? Yay!
You like that?
Oh, that was fun, right, Riv?
Alright, give them it now. Come on, fight. Come on, don't know why I'm not.
There you go, guys.
Thank you.
Oh, he's laughing.
Did you like that, Rivi?
Alright, come over here.
Oh, sorry. Watch it. River can't stop laughing now. Was that fun, Riv? That was fun, huh? I guess I needed to go hiding, huh? That's the real thrill. Oh, what a thrill, Rivi.
Yeah, you still can't stop laughing. Eh?
Oh, look, you could go along that slide, man. Let's go there. The little baby slide, you see? Yeah, let's go. Oh.
Stop.
Oh. It's fun, right? I can't stop laughing. Car to catch you for his page. Okay, Rivi. Hold on. You got him, kid? You gotta come up here. Let's go, Rivi. Let's go, Riv. Come. Good. Good job. Come. Step. 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 Good job, Riv. Wow. Good. Wow. Good job, Riv. You ready, Riv? Shall I let him go?
Yeah, go ahead.
You gotta hold him,
Yeah,
though, Sean.
go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
Rivy, but you ain't went nowhere, Riv. Sean, Riv ain't went nowhere.
Alright.
You wanna come back, Riv?
One more time.
Are you ready, Riv? Are you ready, Rivy? Yay! Good job, Riv. Ready? Steady. Ready? Go!
You laughing at?
Yeah, what are you laughing? I think you're looking at the swing. Do you want to swing? I feel like River could go in there, don't I?
You think so?
And a hole in here. Oh, I wonder how he would do in that tunnel. That would be nice. Yes. But he might try to get up and I can't go in there with him. Okay, come get him. Oh, go on. Are you going in there?
Riv,
Riv,
come on. Come on.
go, Rivy.
Come on.
Go, Riv.
Come on, Riv.
Good job, Riv. Yay. Yeah, no. The tunnel is a no-go. You don't like the tunnel? Oh no. River's like, I'm not being trapped in here. This is too closed up for me. Is it? What you want to do? You want to swing? You keep looking at the swing. Do you want to swing? Yeah? Wait until the little girl finishes then. Look, Riv. Yay! Hold it, Riv. Hold this. Hold it. Good job. Hey, Dada. Hi, Dada. Riv, you gotta hold on, Riv. Wow. He's too focused on looking down, you see?
Hey. So let him go now, let him go.
Yeah, seriously, we're having fun. He's looking at the other children. That's why he's laughing so much. Okay, I think that's good now, right?
That's fine. Yes.
You ready, Riv?
The ice cream and the easy.
Right, come right, but
Ice cream.
the ice cream van. Come on, the children run down now. Let's go, Riv. Yeah, Rivy is done. Tell them I had fun. The ice cream van doesn't know how to make. They know to make them
Right,
money.
so you drive up slowly, then you just start it nice.
Play the little music. Riv, you want ice cream, Riv? ShéKayla, you want the ice cream? Mwah. Alright, let's
You have any wipes from hand?
yeah, the looking river bag here, wipe stream. He should be wiping his hand.
Yeah.
You did put the wipes in there, right? His wipes. Give me one. Here's the culprit taking people money.
Let's see how much more I'll charge.
Well, it says try a £99.99
Pence.
pence, please.
It's time for ice cream. Oh my god, this guy. Ethan!
River got a cone, y'all. Compliments of the Mr. Creamy. Hold it, you hold it. You hold it, Rivi. Here you go. Good job. Rivi's first ice cream without ice cream.
That's when you know it's delicious, right?
Eat it, Rivi. Bite it. Eat more. Yeah, good boy. Yummy. Let's go home. We're off. It was a nice fun time here at the park. We're going home. Let's go, Riv. Sean thinks he's not a NASCAR driver because the no, I know it ain't gonna sound good now, eh? Look how good I had sound a while ago. Because the greatest.
This sound good, man. Do you think?
Because the greatest love of all is happening to me. I believe the children are our future. Then y'all know I could sing, right? I'm just messing around with y'all.
Easy and just relax and just take it easy. Don't try to go all the way. Just take it easy.
Because the greatest love of all is happening to me. Let the children laughter.
Trying to do too much. That's why.
I'm not trying to
Just
do
take
too
it
much. I'm
easy.
actually.
Take it
Can you do any better, Sean? Let me hear you.
easy.
Can I hear you? Hit one note. Let me hear you hit one note.
Saving the pipes, no worries.
Because he can't hit a note, but he telling me we'll take it easy. I same so this morning I'm singing. What was I singing? Our God is an awesome God. He I gotta close my eyes. Y'all don't look at me. Close y'all eyes. Don't look, because when people looking at me, I can't sing. Our God is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven above. Okay, okay, hold on. Our God